Welcome to Channel Name, where we break down stocks for smart investors. Today, EVERTEC Inc., EVTC, the Fintech powerhouse of Latin America. At $34.50, could it skyrocket to $1,000? We'll dive into pros and cons, margins, debts, dividends, risks, and long-term potential. Stick around for the verdict. Hit like and subscribe. EVERTEC processes billions of payments in Puerto Rico and LATAM. Think merchant services, e-wallets, and tech solutions. Revenue's up 8 to 11% in 2025, hitting $230 million in Q2. But $1,000 share? That's a 29x jump from today's $2.2 billion market cap. Unrealistic without massive global expansion. Analysts see $38 short-term. Growth solid at 8% annually, but regional limits cap it. Verdict: no, but 20 to 50% upside possible in 5 years via digital boom. Strengths: 40% EBITDA margins, beats many peers like Global Payments, 35 to 40%, and Shift4, 25%. Net margin 15.56%, up 0.5% yearly. Dominates LATAM, with acquisitions fueling growth. Weaknesses: $674 million debt, but cash flow covers it easily. Competitors like Fiserv have scale, but EVERTEC's regional edge shines. Opportunities: LATAM's 16% payment growth to 2028. Threats: political unrest could slash volumes 10 to 20%. Debts? Manageable. $86 million quarterly cash flow pays interest fine. Side incomes from SaaS and investments add $20-30 yearly, bolstering the balance sheet. Since 2015 IPO at $26, investors gained 50% total, 4.5% KGR. Modest versus S&P 500's 12%. Dividends help, 20 cents annual, 0.56% yield, 9% payout ratio. Not an aristocrat yet, but steady 3 to 5% increases. By 2030, more LATAM acquisitions, AI fraud tech, 2040 to 2050 blockchain and sustainable finance if digitization accelerates, profitable trends, stable policies, e-commerce surge. Risks: LATAM elections, inflation, or US-Puerto Rico changes could hurt. Social unrest, big red flag, past crises cut earnings. Short-term, flat YTD, trails S&P 500's 18%. Long-term, 4.5% versus MSCI World's 9%, underperforms but stable for emerging exposure. Versus global indices, it's a value play, not growth rocket. So, $1,000, dream on, aim for steady 5 to 7% returns. Buy if you like LATAM Fintech, hold for dividends. What do you think? Comment below, check descriptions for sources, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more analyses. See you next time.